Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this video is an important video for some of you because I surprised you with a little equation quiz Friday, and I noticed a mistake and a very good discussion I wanted to cover with you. Okay? And so here we go. Let's say I gave you this equation right here. Now, what I saw on the quiz is some of you saw the divide 3 right there, and you went ahead and times this by 3, and then of course over here you times that by 3, right? Well guys, if you look at the problem, have we not forgotten to multiply something by? In other words, you're forgetting the distributive property, okay? You must remember guys, whenever we multiply or divide, distributive property is always in effect. So the correct thing we must do here, guys, is also multiply the negative 7 by a 3. Okay, now it's looking a little messy here, but follow my work here. Isn't the 3 right here divided by 3 1? So we end up with x. That's good, right? But let's not forget 3 here times negative 7 is negative 21. See, a lot of you guys left it as minus 7, and therefore you'll never get the answer right. Equals, and of course over here 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. And then how do we get rid of the minus 21? Well, of course we add 21, right? And so x would end up equaling 21 minus 9, which is 12. Okay? Now let me show you real quick the way I prefer, however. Here we go. Now guys, instead of addressing the 3 right here, why don't we first add 7 to both sides? See, we don't have to worry about distributive property in this case if we do that. So notice, now I still have x over 3. 7 minus 7, of course, cancel each other out. Equals 7 minus 3 is 4. And now I'm going to times both sides by 3 like you wanted to. And isn't 3 divided by 3? 1x equals, and 4 times 3, 12. Now guys, notice how the work and the math was a little bit simpler here versus what we ended up doing here. But again, if you want to distribute first, multiply first, that's fine. But more cases than not, try to always add, subtract first whenever you can. So pause the video if you need to, guys, but I just want to do it one more time. Here we go. Now this is the problem that was on the quiz. Here again it was the mistake. Some of you multiplied this by 4 and multiplied that by 4. Again, guys, what did you forget? Yeah, you got to multiply 19 times 4. So let's finish up the problem. Isn't 4 divided by 4 1x? Isn't 4 times 19 right there? Let's see, 40 and 36 is 76, right? And isn't 4 times 26 104? And wow, look at those big numbers, right? Now we're going to, of course, minus 76 both sides. And so x equals 14 minus 6, 8, 28, correct? X is 28. So that was the correct answer. Again, guys, a lot of you guys right here is where you messed up because you forgot to times 19 by 4. Now let's go again. Let me pause first. Okay, so let's go again, try the same problem the way I would prefer. So again, instead of dealing with x divided by 4 first, why not do a minus 19 both sides first? And now, of course, I just have x over 4. 19 minus 19 cancels out to 0. Equals 26 minus 19 is 7. Wow, look how much nicer the numbers are if you just add or subtract first, right? And finally, like you want to do, how do I get rid of the divide 4 right there? I multiply by 4 both sides. 4 divided by 4 is 1x equals 7 times 4 is 28. Again, notice, same exact answer, but wow, look how big those numbers were there when I multiplied first. Just saying. Okay? But anyways, guys, I hope this video helps you. And perhaps I'll make a similar video tomorrow. But until next time, bye.